First topic is introduction about d block elements. Dear students, attention please that total elements of modern periodic table are 118. This modern periodic table divided in four blocks S, P, D and F. In S block total elements are 14, in P block 36, in D block 40, in F block 28, total 180. We also know that S block divided in first and second two groups. Helium also in S block. We also know that P block divided in 6 groups from 13 to 18. Total elements are 36. Between S and P block, 14 elements of D block are present. D block divided in 4 series: 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D. 3D series started from 21 scandium to 30 zinc. 4D series started from 39 ytterbium to 48 cadmium. 5D series started from 57 lanthanum and 72 hafnium to 80 Hg. 60 series started from 89 actinium to and 100 for the rhodium to 112 copernicium. Okay. Next definition: those elements in which electron enters in D subcell known as D block elements. Next topic is electronic. Atomic number 21 is scandium. Electronic configuration is Ar 3d1 4s2. Next is 22 titanium. Electronic configuration is Ar 3d2 4s2. Next is 23 vanadium. Electronic configuration is Ar 3d3 4s2. Next is 24 chromium. Electronic configuration is Ar 3d5 4s1. The electronic configuration of such type it is due to stability of half-filled d orbitals. Next atomic number is 25 manganese. Electronic configuration is Ar 3d5 4s2. Next is 26 iron Fe. Electronic configuration is Ar 3d6 4s2. Next is 27 cobalt. Electronic configuration is Ar 3d7 4s2. Next is 28 nickel Ni Ar 3d8 4s2. Next is 29 copper. Electronic configuration is Ar 3d10 4s1. Electronic configuration of copper. Electronic configuration is Ar 3d10 4s1 due to more stability of full-filled d orbitals. Okay. Next is 30 zinc. Electronic configuration is Ar 3d10 4s2. Electronic vinyas, chromium and copper more important in 3D series because both are exceptional case of general electronic configuration. Okay, copy in your notebook this electronic configuration. Next is electronic configuration of 4D series. First atomic number of 4D series is 39, yttrium. Electronic configuration of yttrium is Kr 4d1 5s2. Next is 14, zirconium. Electronic configuration is Kr 4d2 5s2. Next is 41, niobium. Electronic configuration is Kr 4d4 5s1. Next is 42, molybdenum. Electronic configuration is Kr 45 5s1. Next is 43, technetium. Electronic configuration is Kr 45 5s2. Next is 44, ruthenium. Electronic configuration is Kr 47 5s1. Next is 45, rhodium. Electronic configuration is Kr 48 5s1. Next is 46, palladium. Electronic configuration is Kr 4010 5s0. Next is 47, silver. Electronic configuration is Kr 4d 10 5s1. Next is 48, cadmium. Electronic configuration is Kr 4010 5s2. This is 4D series electronic configuration of 5D series. First element of 5D series is 57, lanthanum. Electronic configuration is Xe 5d1 6s2. Next element is 72, hafnium. Electronic configuration is Xt 5 4f 14 5d2 6s. Next element is 73, tantalum. Electronic configuration is Xt 4f 14 5d3 6s2. Next element is 74, tungsten. Symbol is W because Latin of tungsten is wolfram. So symbol is W. Electronic configuration is Xt 4f 14 5d4 6s2. Next is 75, rhenium. Symbol is Re. Electronic configuration is Xe 4f 14 5d5 6s2. Next is 76, osmium. Os. Symbol is Xt 4f 14 5d6 6s2. Next is 77 iridium. Electronic configuration is Xe. Electronic configuration is 4f14 5d7 6s2. Next element is 78 platinum. Electronic configuration is Xe 4f14 5d9 6s1. Next is atomic number 79 gold. Symbol is Au because Latin name of gold is aurum. Electronic configuration is Xe 4f14 5d10 6s1. Next is 80 mercury. Symbol is Hg because Latin name of mercury is hydronium, so symbol is Hg. Electronic configuration is Xe 4f14 5d10 6s2. Dear students, attention please. See here, electronic configuration of 79 aurum, 78 platinum in 5d series and in 4d series. Atomic number 41, atomic number 42, atomic number 44, atomic number 45, atomic number 46, atomic number 47 in 4d series and in 3d series. Atomic number 24, atomic number 29 are the exceptional case of electronic configuration in 3d, 4d and 5d series. Electronic configuration of 6d series elements. First element of 6d series is atomic number 89 actinium Ac. Electronic configuration is radon 6d1 7s2. Next is atomic number 100 for Rutherfordium Rf. Electronic configuration is Rn 5f14 6 7s2. Next is 105 Tuberium. Electronic configuration is Rn 5f14 6d3 7s2. Next is 106 Cesium Hg. Electronic configuration is Rn 5f14 6d4 7s2. Next is 107 Borium Bh. Electronic configuration is Rn 5f14 6d5 7s2. Next is 108 Hafnium. Symbol is Hs. Electronic configuration is Rn 5f14 6d6 7s2. Next is 109 Metallium. Symbol is Mt. Electronic configuration is Rn 5f14, 6d7, 7f2. Next is 110 thermistidium, symbol is ds. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f14, 6d8, 7f. Next is 111 lanthanum, symbol is Rg. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f14, 6d10, 7s1. Next is 112 copernicium, symbol is Cn. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f14, 6d10, 7s2. Dear students, lanthanum is the exceptional case of general electronic configuration. In 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D series, in 3D series, copper and chromium are the exceptional case of general electronic configuration. In 4D series, 41 niobium, 42 molybdenum, 44 ruthenium, 45 rhodium, 46 palladium, 47 silver. 6 elements are the exceptional case of general electronic configuration. In 5D series, atomic number 78 platinum, 79 aurum. 2 elements are the exceptional case of general electronic configuration. In 6D series, the atomic number 111 is the exceptional case of general